today's world, so many kids are becoming millionaires.
It's a year later. How much money are you making?
Okay, so I'm 17 now, and across all my businesses, we're doing around $1 million a month in revenue.
Dude, how much money do you make?
Make $1 million every month.
And how old are you?
I'm 17.
Think about it. Teenagers launching businesses from their bedrooms, 18-year-olds investing smarter than adults, and young creators earning more than corporate CEOs. The question is, how are they doing it? And more importantly, how can you? Today, I'll break down 7 powerful blueprints to build wealth, the exact strategies that are creating millionaires faster than ever before. Pay close attention because one of these might just change your life. Blueprint number 1, the digital creator economy. Let's start with the biggest revolution, becoming a digital creator. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even podcasting have turned creativity into currency. Kids are making money not because they have fancy equipment, but because they know how to capture attention. Blueprint number 1 is simple. Turn your ideas into content. Pick a niche you love. Build an audience by sharing value, entertainment, or education. Then monetize through ads, sponsorships, courses, or even your own products. The creator economy is proof that you don't need permission. You just need consistency and authenticity.
Blueprint number 2, e-commerce and drop shipping. Have you noticed how many teenagers are running online stores today? That's blueprint number 2, e-commerce. With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon FBA, anyone can start selling products without owning a factory. Dropshipping takes it further. You don't even need to hold inventory. You sell, the supplier ships. The secret here isn't luck. It's understanding trends, marketing, and customer psychology. Kids are learning digital ads faster than some MBAs, and they're cashing in. Blueprint number 3. Investing early. Most people wait until their 30s or 40s to think about investing, but the new wave of young millionaires, they start in their teens. Blueprint number 4, develop high-income skills. These are skills like copywriting, video editing, coding, sales, or digital marketing, skills that companies and entrepreneurs desperately need. Here's the best part. You don't need a degree to learn them. The internet is your free university. Once you master one, you can freelance, start an agency, or use it to launch your own business. Blueprint number 5, entrepreneurship and problem solving. Millionaires aren't made by following the crowd. They're made by solving problems. Every successful company exists because someone solved a problem. Uber solved transportation. Airbnb solved accommodation. The key question you should always ask is, what problem can I solve for people, and how can I make it easier, faster, or cheaper? That mindset alone is worth millions. Blueprint number 6, networking and mentorship. You've heard the saying, your network is your net worth, and it's true. Surround yourself with people who are already where you want to be. If you want to get rich, spend time with people who talk about business, growth, and opportunities, not gossip. Seek mentors, learn from their mistakes. Blueprint number 7, mindset and consistency. Finally, the most important blueprint of all, mindset. If you don't believe you can be wealthy, you never will. The young millionaires today didn't just stumble into success. They had the courage to start, the patience to keep going, and the consistency to never quit.